Competing deeds for the same parcel landed one man in court with an adverse possession claim in Mullis v. Winchester. E.C. Winchester conveyed land to R.H. Burns. This transaction was recorded with the county clerk. Both Winchester and Burns died. No one had paid the taxes on the land, so a tax execution was issued against Winchester's widow, not the person who inherited the land after Burns died. The county sheriff sold the land to John Chonis. Then Chonis sold the land to Carl Mullis in 1943. These transactions were also recorded. Someone working for Mullis contacted Winchester's widow. The representative told the widow that Mullis bought the land. However, the widow didn't claim ownership of the land. Mullis owned a lumber company and harvested trees from the land. Like with Mullis's other properties, Mullis harvested all the land's large trees. Mullis always paid the taxes on the land. Over a decade after Mullis made the purchase, he filed a case to quiet the land's title. The heirs and devisees of Winchester and Burns, including Winchester's widow, argued that they were the rightful owners of the land. Mullis conceded that the sheriff's deed to Chonis wasn't valid, so Chonis's deed to Mullis wasn't valid either. Instead, Mullis relied on adverse possession, claiming he possessed and continuously used the property for more than 10 years, so he became the property's owner. During trial, Mullis offered testimony about his use of the land and showed that others in the area believed that Mullis owned the land. Winchester didn't present evidence. The jury returned a verdict for Winchester. Mullis moved for judgment notwithstanding the verdict, asking the court to disregard the jury's verdict and find for him. The court granted Mullis's motion. Winchester appealed to the South Carolina Supreme Court.